Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable developer option on Android. Unlock advanced settings. The developer options menu lets you configure system behaviors to improve app performance. The list of developer options will depend on the version of Android that your device is running. On most Android devices, the developer options menu is hidden by default. To unhide the developer options menu, first go to Settings, and then tap About Device or About Phone. And third, tap Software Information. Then tap Build Number 7 times. Enter your pattern, PIN or password to enable the developer options menu. The developer options menu will now appear in your settings menu. To disable the developer options menu, you can toggle the options on and off as shown in figure. Keep this on. When off, most options are disabled, except those that don't require communication between the device and your development computer. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.